Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design spray nozzle in SolidWorks, like this. Okay. First, click a new part and click OK. In here, we use a millimeter unit. Ensure you select millimeter, gram, and second. And we start from front plane. Right click on front plane and click sketch. Then draw center line. Draw it. Then set the dimension. In here, for example, I set in 93.5 millimeter. Then draw a line like this. Draw a line like this and this. Draw a line again in below like this, this, and this. Then set the dimension in here. Set a dimension, smart dimension. Click this line and click shift on your keyboard. And here we set the dimension. In here I set in for diameter in 24. Then this line and the center line have diameter 45 millimeter. And this line, click shift on your keyboard. This line have distance 30 millimeter, like this. Then don't forget also set the dimension in here. This line have in 18 millimeter. This line to this point have a distance set in 28, like this. Then this line to bottom line or I set in 68.7. Sorry, 68.5, like this. Then we can also set this line to this point. I set in 58.4. Then this line to this line I set in 48 millimeter, like this. For value in here I just for example like this. Then don't forget to build in below this point and click shift on your keyboard with the center line have diameter maybe in distance in 15.5, like this. Then this line to the center line have a distance I set in 30 millimeter. Okay, like this. It's so simple, and automatically in here is 20. Okay, like this. So after we set all dimension like this and draw sketch like this, just go to feature and select Revolve boss or base. For in here uncheck list thin feature and select contour, select this sketch and this sketch. Just click OK. It's so simple. And click this face, right click in this face and click sketch. Draw polygon. In here parameter is 6. Inscribe circle. Draw like this and set the dimension. I set dimension for in here the width of the polygon is 34.8 millimeter, like this. Just click feature and click extrude burst. For direction, select to up to surface. For surface, click this face. Just click OK, like this. It's so simple. Then After that, click this icon or this menu display style, click in wireframe and select again from plane, right click and click sketch. Draw center line again from the center of the part at the top like this, and draw line again from this to this like this and this, draw until this and this and this and this, and click in here like this. So after that, ensure this line and this line, click control, click on make vertical. Sorry, this point to this point. Sorry, this point to this point, click make vertical like this. Then set for dimension this line and click shift on your keyboard, and the center line I set in 18 millimeter like this. Then this line to the center line I set in 23. For this line have high in 16 millimeter. This line to this center line have distance 6 millimeter like this, and in below in here this point and click shift on the center line I set in 3 millimeter, and for this line to this edge for angle I set in 45 degree like this. So after that, click this point and click shift on your keyboard, set in here I set in 10 millimeter like this. So you just to input dimension like this. It's so simple. After you set all dimension like this, select all feature and click Revolve cut. Just click yes. And for display, you can select to set with edge like this. Axis revolution automatically in the center line or line 1. Just click OK. And then it is simple. We can see the result of Revolve cut. It's like this. Okay, it's simple. So we want to make a new plane to make a hole in the right plane. So click right plane and click plane in here. Flip offset for direction in here like this. Then for distance from the right plane I set in 30 millimeter. Checklist in flip offset. Just click OK. And we just to make a new plane. The new plane, the name is plane 1. Right click on the plane 1 and click sketch like this. Then draw a circle in here like this. Set the dimension of the circle of diameter in here. I set in 8.75 millimeter. Then this circle, smart dimension again. Set the dimension. This circle and this edge, this center to this edge I set in 8 millimeter. Ensure this center point to the center of the part like this. Click on make vertical. Then select a feature, extrude boss. Just of direction, click up to next. Just click OK. So we can hide the plane one. Click hide. Make hole in here with hole wizard. Click hole wizard in here, and for hole type, click hole. For standard ISO, for type of drill size, for example, and for example in size I set in diameter 6, and just go to position, click 3D sketch, and click this center of the hole, center of the part in plus like this. Just click OK, and done. Simple. We can see again our result from the section view like this. Then after that, we can to apply of the the chamfer in here. For this edge, I apply in 5mm 45 degree. Just click OK, and click again chamfer. Click this edge, I set in 2mm. Just click OK, and click again chamfer in here for this edge and this edge in 2mm too. Just click OK, like this. So we just make a thread in here with feature. Just click thread, click OK. For thread location, click this edge, and for and condition up to selection, click this face like this. And sure, for type you click metric die in here because you want to make a thread in outer. And for size, for example, I set in 24 24 by 2 like this. Then we can click offset or check offset. For the offset is 2mm, but in here we can do reverse direction at the top like this. Then just checklist in trim, width and face in here like this. So after that, just click OK, and done. It is so simple to make threads with in here thread like this. Thread with feature in SolidWorks with visual thread. So after that we can to change the appearances. The appearances. We can change the color or appearances in here. This icon, metal, maybe I will say in polish brush like this. And display we can to real, uncheck this. We can to change in plain white like this. And done. We can to see in the section view. Click OK. Here is a simple part of to make Spray Nozzle in SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial help you to learning SolidWorks, especially for design. It's perfect for beginner. I apologize if there are any mistake of our in this material. Thank you very much for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.